Hello guys, I'm of course Alexandrus, and in today's short video I want to give you an update about Acet Finance. Before we jump into the video, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into the video, guys. So I have a breaking news regarding Acet, guys, because there is a huge collaboration between Acme Worawat, who is the CEO, and Anant Ambani. So this is really cool, guys. This is first ever blockchain collaboration of Anant Ambani, and if you don't know who he is, let me bring this to you guys. So the crypto world is watching us. Anant Ambani, who is heir to India's $113 billion business empire. He makes his first ever move into blockchain, and you know, he has chosen Acet. So as his entry point, guys, this is huge. So this isn't just, you know, your average another partnership. This could be possibly a game-changing moment for DeFi and crypto adoption at a global scale, especially in India, which is a huge crypto market as well. So why this matters for the traders, guys? So let's talk about that. And if you even go to CoinMarketCap, it is all over here that there is this collaboration, guys. So this is top 440 coin, which is one of the fastest growing projects in DeFi currently. They have a 72 or almost $73 million market cap, guys. So this is strong and expanding ecosystem and strong market cap, which still has huge room for growth. They have over 150,000 traders, rapidly growing holder base. So it is signaling a really strong demand. Over 2.84 million trading volume in last 24 hours and over 423 million trading volume. So liquidity is flowing, momentum is building, guys, okay? They are fully audited by Certic as well, with a really good Skynet score, so that also speaks volumes, guys. And now with Anant Ambani stepping in Acet's trajectory could reach a whole new level. The Ambani family has transformed industries before. Jio revolutionized telecom in India, and Reliance leads in energy, retail and tech. So when they move, the markets follow. So I mean, you can even see that after this news, Acet has done over 33% upside in the last 24 hours. So what's the big play here, guys? Anant Ambani's collaboration with Acme Worawat isn't just about crypto, okay? It's about the impact, with Acet driving financial empowerment through DeFi and Anant leading sustainability efforts with Ventura. This partnership fuses blockchain with philanthropy in a way we've never seen before. And again, this all speaks for itself. You can check out how well Acet has been performing. And remember that crypto now is really up and down, mostly down even. And the last 30 days for them are looking brilliant. It's over 264% up, guys. So that's huge. You can see the trade history. You can also see their buyback act, which is by the founder. And this is pretty cool because you can sell ACT to get USDT back, okay? And that's absolutely huge, okay? This is this campaign, and you can participate in it if you are interested. You can learn more about it directly on the website. So if you want a whole video about Acet, you can let me know. We can try to work something out. I mean, I could try to work something out for you guys. So yeah, the big play here is that this is, you know, never seen before. Like, this is his first ever blockchain collaboration as well. So also Acme Worawat personally designed a one-of-a-kind I Hold ACT or I Hold Act hoodie, which is also pretty cool, featuring a white elephant, which is a powerful symbol of wisdom, strength and leadership in Thai and Indian cultures, because Acme is from Thailand, and then Ambani is obviously from India. So this isn't just a gift, you know, this is a whole statement. So the market is watching, guys. Let's see if you are watching. So whales are accumulating, traders are paying attention, you know. When billionaires step into crypto, the prices move drastically. So with Acet already establishing itself as top 400 coin and growing fast, the question is, what could be the next move here, okay? So whether you are positioned for the upcoming move, guys. So definitely follow the charts if you want to stay updated. This has huge potential, guys. It could go to 10 cents possibly soon. It could go to 20, it could go to 30, you know. Like, honestly, the more people find out about this, the higher the potential will be, and it will scale up. this is simply due to the fact that this is really small market cap still, relatively, right? This is 71 million market cap, so it definitely has the potential for 5x easily. But obviously we will see how it goes, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing you my own opinions and speculations, so always your own research, always your own due diligence. You can definitely join Acet's community if you want to be updated with everything, and let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this collaboration, and I will see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.